Now let's begin our class. And the today's topic which we are going to study is dates in history. How the dates were calculated in ancient period. In order to understand history and study it better, historians arranged past events and dates in order of their occurrence. Dates in history are explained by two terms, as you can see, BC or BCE, AD or CE. The years are generally counted from the date given to the birth of Christ. BC means before Christ. The years before the birth of Jesus Christ are known as BC. All dates are counted backward in BC. Nowadays, BCE, that is before Common Era, is also used in place of BC. AD means Anno Domini, in the year of Lord. That means the years after the birth of Jesus Christ are counted as AD. Now it is also termed as CE. CE means Common Era. Now you can see I have defined the important terms. AD, Anno Domini, BC, before Christ, CE, Common Era, BCE, before Common Era. Now these timelines, they go from left to right. That means the event which are given on the left that happened earlier than the events that are given on right. Okay, now let's understand dates with the example. How to find out the time from time period? First, how many years are there between 400 BC and 200 BC? So to solve this, first we'll subtract 200 BC from 400 BC. So we'll get the answer 200 BC. Next, second, how many years are there between AD 200 and AD 400? So again we'll do the same thing and we'll get the answer 200 years. Now next example we have, how many years are there between 400 BC and AD 200? Now for this we have to add the two dates, that is 400 BC and AD 200. So we'll get our answer 600 years. See students, don't get confused between BC, BCE, AD, CE. Earlier the terms BC and AD were used. Now in place of AD, if we are writing CE, that is correct. In place of BC, if we are writing BCE, that is correct. So BC and BCE are the same terms and AD and CE are the same terms.